All right, here we are and we're about to build the Sonj Sand IKEA dresser. So let's get started. So for now, I'm going to skip step 35 because that is when it gets put onto the wall. And I don't know exactly where it's going to go yet. Step 36 is also part of anchoring it to the wall, so I'm not going to anchor it to the wall yet. It's a really good idea to anchor these things to the wall. This next set of the directions, I deviate slightly from the instructions of the IKEA instruction manual, and you'll see why in a second. As you are building the drawers themselves, you will finish step 14 and suddenly the instructions jump past the highly important step of attaching the drawer slides in the drawers. I checked through all of the instructions and I do not see this step. You can see in step 14 that there are no drawer slides on the drawer. Then, in step 15, the slides magically appear in the pictures. Now, to give IKEA the credit that they are due, I love IKEA instructions, and I cannot for the life of me remember a time when I found a legitimate mistake when building a piece of IKEA furniture. So kudos to all of their other instruction manuals. I already did the first one to make sure that it worked, but what you do is take the rest of the railings that you have and set them up to where it looks like this. You're gonna make it to where it looks just like that. Then you will be set up for success. I just checked it. It works on the first one. It should work on the rest of them. So we're done. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Song sand. Song sand? I don't know. We're either done with the song sand or the songe sand. And check it out. Oh yeah, it's so nice. Now look, right here, just be aware, the wider side goes to the middle. There's a shorter side that goes on the side, and that's for the top two. But everything else, you just push them in and they will work just fine.